This is a video about Google Documents and these folders, and I want to describe just generally the functionality of the site. In general, all items, when you click on it, shows all the files in this folder, and each file belongs to a category, or to a folder, and they can be explored in here. And this is the backup folder for everything that we want to back up. We can actually download this file onto our own hard drives. So if something happens, we can recover from all the efforts and time that we spent creating this site. So I think it's at some point in the future it might be a good idea to do that, and to do it probably once a quarter or a couple times a year, because the documents get updated. So it'd be a good idea to have a good hard copy of all the folders, so it'd be easy to recover and make the site again. You never know, but I would think that Google does have some redundancy built into systems, and it probably won't be necessary. But I just wanted to mention it. In the business folder, we have several folders in here that we could use. Now, AdSense is going to be these are your forms to fill out in order to qualify financially. They're requesting requesting you to fill out this form and to submit it because you're in another country. And so that's something that we need to do at some point to get the money going in this website. These are the legal documents that belong to your site. You can have a business plan. I don't think you really need these, but there are some forms in there. Now, your clients in 2010 is a folder that this is your template, so you could actually open this up, and when you have a new customer, you could actually what I would do first is I would make a copy, and then you can add because it's going to be a spreadsheet, a simple one, you could actually put the customer in here. So you could put the customer's name, and we'll just put down NAME, customer template, and we don't even need the word template. We'll just say name, customer information, and just click OK. And that should generate a copy. And when that happens, you could actually you can see that it's loaded automatically. So you can just fill in the customer's name, and then click File, Save, and Close when you're done. And I'll stay on this page. Actually, let's see, it has auto share. So it takes a while for it to save, but it's saved, so we can save and close. So now when we go back to the site, we'll kill that document. When you do is we have to go back to this site to find out where the file is. So here's the file right here, and we have to put it somewhere. So I think that we would create a folder that's unique depending on maybe country or my client's category. You can put it by country, but the idea is that you select none, and then you select the file, and then you can let's see, you can move it, you can declare where it goes. So you would just go by open it, and billing, and let's see, billing, clients 2010, that go by year, and then you can put it right there. You just check mark it and click apply, and then it should show up in this folder. And so all your customers should belong. How do we get there? Lost it. Okay, so now we have two files in there, and we can unclick it, and this is the customer name. So you actually have a spreadsheet on this customer, so you can actually open it and update it. So when the project is done, you can see we added his name and all the other data in here. So we could add anything we want in here. So that's how you keep the customer database up to date. And you can add other notes in here too. So I just wanted to show you this method of creating a document. So this will end the video on this how-to. Bye-bye.